Hi everyone, welcome to my new subscribers and followers. This is my first video of 2025 and I really hope that this has been a great start to your year. So I've got a really good class for you this week, and when I'm creating classes, a lot of it comes from what I need and what I sense that I need. And that's what it means to be a soma, to be able to, when you lie down or when you're standing up and you start to sense and feel, oh, I've got a bit of tension in my waist, I've got some tension in my back. Once you learn the key movements, you know exactly what you need to do to alleviate that pain and alleviate that tension. So this week, I was feeling a little bit out of balance when I was walking. I felt a little bit of tension in my back and I was landing a bit heavier through my right foot. So I've created a class all around releasing that tension in the back and releasing that tension in the waist and in the ribs that can create that holding, that your body's inability to flow freely as you walk. So that's what's in store for you this week. You can join me online for my 3 live online classes, and also I teach at Central Wellness in Lincoln for those that are new to me, to my page, and are new to following me. Sorry, slight ramble there. Anyway, so I really look forward to sharing this class with you. I felt amazing. I slept like a baby. I tend to do my practice after class, so I slept really well after this class that I rehearsed last night. So I look forward to sharing this class with you. And if you want to hear about what else is happening in the somatic world, then please subscribe to my newsletter. All right, take care, have a great week, and I'll see you soon.